Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Bootstrap 5 framework and the complete tutorial series. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful gradient background to our navbar. If you're tired of using solid colors, which doesn't add much interactivity or user design, next time consider adding a gradient color. How do you add that? We'll use CSS property called linear gradient to add the gradient effect. Okay, so let me show you. This is the default navbar, looks dull and boring, right? Now let's go ahead and add some color to it. All right, so this is the basic navbar that I have from Bootstrap. You can copy that anything and include the CDN and JS, and which I've shown you in all the tutorials. So if you're not really sure, please do check the previous episode. Alright, so that being said, what are we doing today is to just add the linear gradient. Okay, one of the most like say visually appealing design, I would say. So to the navbar class, what we'll do, we'll set a background and we are going to say linear gradient, and we are going to say to right. That means from the right side. What are we going to do? Add some color to it. So you can choose any colors of your choice. You can Google for hex colors, or if you are someone like me who remembers the hex codes, go ahead, implement your own colors. Or you can also use auto completion tools to give you colors, but I'm going to use with these two basic colors. So let's go ahead and refresh, and now you see a beautiful gradient effect on the navbar. Now you can use this property not only with navbar but with buttons, with cards, with shadows, background, anything. The idea is to learn how to add the gradient effect, and now you know how to add it. Use the background, then use linear hyphen gradient, and it's a shorthand annotation for setting. This one is the background. We are setting linear gradient, and you can pass the values which will tell you the to which side and which two colors you want to add to the gradient. Alright, I hope it's clear. If you have any such small code that you are stuck with, you need help with, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to create that quick snippets for you to help you easy your work. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode with bringing more such tutorials for you. Thank you.